This is the part 3 of thesis formatting from my sister and my friends. This is what I am doing in the previous video. For the tables, the description is placed before the table itself. In here, my format is 3 spaces before and after the table. Some institution has strict table design. In here for example, I need to change the top rows. Go to Borders and Shading and choose the style. As you can see here, you can select the side. You can also change the thickness. I am using two stacked borders with different thickness. Here, I am changing the thickness of the bottom border of the first row. Now, since there are 3 single spaces before and after the paragraph, I need to move the paragraph to next page. Remember, before you insert a table in a page, you have to cite or mention them first. Applying the same principle of 3 single space before and after the table. Go to the 3 dots and navigate to Border Dash. As you can see, no special design here such as the stacked one. You can only change the thickness of the border lines. You can also use the table options. Here, I am manually adding the border line by navigating to this drop-down option. Remember not to sandwich your table by the texts. Always put them at the top, bottom, or both. Here, I am making sure that the 3 spaces are followed. Now for the figures, You can insert the images by pasting them from your clipboard Ctrl+C per V. Or you can go to Insert Ribbon and to the Pictures. Here I am showing you how to do both. To change the size of the photo, click on it and drag the corner, or you can go to Picture Format and type the size. You can also change the text wrapping. This is useful if you want to group them together later. To easily paste the same format for your next image, you can copy the first image, arrange them. Now, highlight all of them by clicking the first image. Then long press Shift and click the others. Then right-click and then choose Group. Now, you can change the text wrapping back to inline with the paragraph and center the image. To insert the labels, go to Insert Ribbon and click Text Box. Use the Draw Text Box and align. Now, copy the text box and paste them by clicking on the intended photo. To do so, ungroup the images first by changing their text wrapping back to tight. If your text box is hidden at the back, go to Shape Format and Arrange to bring forward. Now you copy it, click the intended photo and paste it. As you can see, you do not need to drag the text box. Group the images first, then the text box. Change their text wrapping so that you can group them all together. Here, the format is 4 single spaces before or after the paragraph, and the description is placed at the bottom. Now to change the images, click on the intended image and go to Picture Format. Follow here. Now, you can crop the image and zoom without it affecting the size, but make sure not to drag the black. Make sure not to sandwich the figure with texts. This is what it looks like, the 4 single spaces after the figure. In Google Docs, You can just copy and paste the image. Or go to Insert, Image, and Upload. You can also change the image size by dragging the corners or go to Image Options and type the size. You can also directly change the image here. You can change the text wrapping through Image Options. Unfortunately, you cannot group the images. You can only do so through the Drawing option. Go to Insert, Drawing, click on the image icon and insert. Images, arrange them as well as the text box. You can use the shape so that the label can be seen clearly. Then you can paste it as one image. That is all for now. Thank you.